today we're going to be making, welcome. Today we are making a cute honeybees cake with little bees on it. Let's get started. This is just a sticker. You can also use a rubber mat. It's a 6-inch tall cake. We have this over here. This is my vanilla buttercream. I added some yellow to it. Some on the board. Inside we're going to do 2 chocolate layers and 2 vanilla layers. I'm just going to trim out the edges. I was already making something, so I have a piping bag. I make a border so I know how thick I want my buttercream inside, and then I just add buttercream. Cake spatula. Smooth it out. It's okay, inside, outside, everything is going to be yellow. If you guys are making it for somebody else, you can put whatever flavor frosting you want inside. Again, let me tell you guys, the cakes that I'm using, they are frozen. Please don't tell me I'm baking with a rock or they're so hard. I would never eat it. Just relax. It's just frozen, okay? Align it. Chocolate. Layer of vanilla. Okay, so that's our cake. Chocolate vanilla, chocolate vanilla. Now we're gonna color it from outside. If you don't like it to be bright yellow, you can also add a little bit of brown in it. That is going to dull the color and it's going to give you a not so bright yellow. So I'm literally just using my tip and going around the cake. I like to use a tip while covering my cake so that I know that it has equal amounts of frosting on all the sides. I always do the top first. I always like doing the top first. Then I use the straight comb. once you have it done to this level, you can just scrape the buttercream off here and fill in all the extra gaps that you see that did not get covered while you were just put extra buttercream so that you can scrape it off. Once you have a smooth surface, less air bubbles, none of the cake is visible, don't keep going over it again and again. Don't overdo it. Just leave it. Some people like the uneven edge. I'm just going to even it out. So you drag in and you wipe this on a bowl. Keep this angle, drag it in. Wipe it. Drag it in. Every time make sure there's no buttercream on your edge so that you're not carry forwarding any buttercream. Clean the bottom as well. Okay, I'm going to be showing you one way of how we do it. One way is, this is a black thing with the black tip. You just make a design. You can just go, if you want, you can first you just make random patterns like this, and then you put a bee over there. Then you have another one right there. Simple things that look nice. You don't even have to do too much drama, and it's okay. These are your bees on the side. You can also tie the pattern down by bringing some bees from the top. Then, you know what you can do? Fill this up. Yellow buttercream. Just make sure there is no air bubbles in it. Okay. The tip, and then wherever you feel like, maybe somewhere over here, just make a big honeycomb. Hole over here, and then you make some bees coming out of it. Oh my god, this looks so cute.
Yeah.
With the whole thing. It's almost like the bees are coming out of there. And then for the last one, for the last other few, okay, then I have some of these. Just stick them in. We have some dancing bees on the top. And there you have it, the honeycomb cake with little bees on it. Perfect. This looks too cute.